Today I am showing you how to make delicious lamb shank. Get the full recipe on my website. Lamb shank are the king of the lamb cuts. Slow cook until tender in a rich, deeply flavored red wine sauce. First add paprika, oregano, cumin seed, cinnamon stick, rosemary, salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and chopped garlic. Rub the mixture into the lamb. Cover and leave to marinate for at least 1 hour or even overnight. Cumin, rosemary, garlic and oregano, all classic seasoning for lamb, and it brings a powerful, strong flavor. Take the marinated lamb out of the fridge 20 minutes before cooking. This promotes faster, more even cooking. Heat the pot and add olive oil. After 2 hours marinate lamb shank, start preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Add the onions, carrots and bay leaf to the pot and brown vegetables for 2 more minutes. Add the red wine to deglaze the pan. Then bring to the boil and cook for 10 minutes. Reduce the red wine by half. Add the veal stock, bring to the boil, then transfer uncover to the preheat oven. Cook for 2 hours until the meat tender. For prevent drying top of the shank, just baste and occasionally turn them. Remove the meat from the oven and strain the sauce. Again back into pot, bring to simmer over medium heat and reduce slightly to a syrupy consistency. Season with salt and pepper if you need it. Serve with roasted potato, carrots and mint yogurt sauce. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley and rosemary. I share how to make classic and simply delicious recipes. Make sure subscribe or follow my page for new recipe each week.